Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can send a contact and share it with another contact of yours in Telegram on PC or laptop. So let us guide you through this. So guys, what you want to do is head over to Telegram, for example, via the desktop application installed on your computer or PC or laptop, or via Google Chrome. So let me go with the web version or application. Next, head over to Telegram and access the conversation you would like to share or the contact. Let me go with this contact here. So right click into the given contact, left click into it. And after that, what you want to do is click into these three dots in the top right corner and select share contact, just like that. And after that, choose the contact from that list you would like to share that user with. So let me go with that user here, click into send. And that is going to send the contact to your contact so that he or she may be given the opportunity to get into direct contact with this user here, guys. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.